GameMaker versus RPG Maker. Choosing the best game engine can transform how you create games without overwhelming complexity. GameMaker offers broad flexibility, while RPG Maker specializes in role-playing game development. GameMaker and RPG Maker are both popular game engines but serve different needs. GameMaker provides a versatile platform for various genres, whereas RPG Maker focuses on simplifying RPG creation with built-in tools tailored specifically for that style. GameMaker is a powerful game engine designed for developers seeking flexibility across multiple game genres. It uses a drag-and-drop interface alongside its own scripting language, GML, allowing both beginners and experienced users to build games efficiently. GameMaker supports 2D game development with extensive customization options for graphics, physics, and user input. Its strengths lie in versatility and a strong community offering tutorials and assets. However, it can have a steeper learning curve for those unfamiliar with coding, and some advanced features require investment in professional licenses. Ideal users are indie developers or small studios aiming to create unique games beyond RPGs, including platformers, shooters, and puzzle games. GameMaker's cross-platform export options also make it suitable for developers targeting multiple devices without extensive technical overhead. RPG Maker is a specialized game engine focused on simplifying the creation of role-playing games. It offers a user-friendly interface with built-in assets like character sprites, maps, and battle systems, making it accessible to users with little to no programming experience. RPG Maker automates many RPG-specific mechanics such as turn-based combat, inventory management, and dialogue systems, allowing creators to focus on storytelling and design. While this specialization is a major strength, it also limits flexibility for non-RPG genres or highly customized gameplay. RPG Maker is ideal for hobbyists, writers, and aspiring game designers who want to build narrative-driven RPGs quickly without deep coding knowledge. Its community provides numerous plugins and resources, but users should expect some constraints when pushing beyond classic RPG frameworks. Comparing GameMaker and RPG Maker highlights a trade-off between versatility and specialization. GameMaker excels when creating diverse 2D games with custom mechanics but demands more programming skill and investment for advanced features. RPG Maker streamlines RPG development with ready-made systems and assets, making it faster to produce story-rich games without coding, but it limits creative freedom outside the RPG genre. For a developer wanting to experiment with different game types or complex gameplay, GameMaker is the better choice. For those focused solely on crafting traditional RPGs with minimal technical barriers, RPG Maker offers a smoother path. Both engines have strong communities and resources, but your project scope and coding comfort will determine the best fit. Choose GameMaker if you want a flexible engine capable of handling various 2D game genres and are comfortable with some coding and customization. RPG Maker is perfect if your goal is to create classic role-playing games quickly with built-in tools and minimal programming. It's a great starting point for storytellers and hobbyists focused on RPG design. Pick the engine that matches your vision and skills for the best results.